Let's unbox and explore this 33-piece journaling gift set by Zebra. The variety in this set caught my eye at Costco, and it was on sale for $23.99. Let's unbox it together. And first up, we have a 15-count mildliner set. This is a double-sided marker with a bullet tip on one side and a chisel on the other. These are great for highlighting, accenting, coloring, and the bullet side is great for any kind of lettering or writing. The ink is definitely a soft color. You could use it to highlight in a book or to draw backgrounds or banners or accents. The 15-count set alone is usually about $15 on Amazon, so we're already getting pretty good value out of this boxed set. Behind the first set of pens, we have a hardback notebook. This journal notebook has nice thick paper, and at the top it has a space to circle the month and day of each page that you're filling out. Kind of a cool feature. It also has 2 ribbon bookmarks, which I really like because I often have more than one list going at any given time in my journal. The paper does feel like good quality paper. However, when you turn the page, you can see what you wrote on the other side of each page. The next set is a 5-count pack of mildliners, again double-sided. The first side has a nice brush point, which is great for some fancy lettering, and the second side has that bullet point again. The bullet point is my favorite for just general writing. Once again, the ink is super soft and pretty coloring. You could use this to shade in, to color, to letter. You could use it for so many things. The last set of pens in this gift set is a 6-count set of clickart pens by Zebra. These clickart pens are the bullet point tip again, but they click. There's no lid to keep track of. There is a rubbery protective piece that I removed, but once you remove it, you don't have to put it back. You just click it and unclick it to use. When I started writing with these pens, I could tell that they were immediately a bolder and brighter color than the other mildliner pens. This is going to make a great pen for daily to-do lists, daily bullet journals, for writing. The other ones are going to be great for lettering, for decorative flair, for highlighting, for background coloring, but I have a feeling these clickart pens are going to be my new go-to pens for just daily notes. The last pen item in this set is just a standard Zebra gel pen. Gel pens aren't my favorite, but this one does write pretty nicely. And last but not least, we have washi tape in 5 different colors. Let's open one up and check it out. This tape is nice and thin. It's easy to rip with your fingers, although you can cut with scissors if you want a nice clean cut. You know it's good washi tape when you can place it on your paper and then peel it back off without damaging the tape or the paper. This tape is decorative and thin and could almost be used as a highlighter. You could actually see through it. You could also use your pens to write on top of the washi tape. Here's a quick look at all of the colors that came in this 33-piece set. First, you have the chisel pen set with the bullet point tip. Then you have the retractable click bullet and the brush pens. Of all the super cool items that came in this set, guess which one is my favorite? The click pens. Hey, are you looking for inspiration on what to do with all your pens and journals? Check out my other video on how I plan each week using my bullet journal.